Taking my little exercise on the bike with my trainer. Where is my trainer at? Oh, there he is. My battery friend. My 750 horsepower. I mean watts. Level 1 for help. Goes up to 5 levels and full throttle for 100% help. Holding this on the handlebar, so I don't know how it works out. Now trying to hold it up in the air. Oh. Well, that's some pretty bad bumps. Still recording. Holding up on the air. Yes, it probably looks funny as I'm riding by people and they see me holding the camera up in the air. Gonna go up past this Buttonwood Grill. Buttonwood Grill. Oh my god, I got food on my mind and beer. Buttonwood Lane, where this house fire was at. Just gonna try to tilt the camera completely to the left of the street so it doesn't look obvious that I'm recording.